In this video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for free, okay? If you're a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We dive right into the content you are looking for, okay? Let's get started. Make sure to follow every step so you don't make any mistake, okay? Right now I'm on Facebook, but if you want to create a QR code, just go to the home screen, then click Chrome, then choose any website. For instance, I can choose this Funded Next website or any other random website. Let's say even ChatGPT. It doesn't matter. Then, after navigating to the website, click on the three dots to the top. Then, click on Share. After clicking on Share, you will see various options here. Just scroll. Then you will see QR code. Tap on it. After tapping on it, a QR code will automatically be generated. You can share this QR code so that people can navigate to your website by just scanning the QR code. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.